In front of me is Blackshock Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to launch Settings and scroll to hit Google section. Now, tap on All Services, scroll again, and this time choose Autofill with Google, available here. Now select Google Password Manager and click on Add Password. If you don't have this option, that means that you never added one before and you need at least one to add another ones manually. So to fix it, hit Settings on the left. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on, and then log in into any website or any app that requires an account. For example, let's go with Facebook. Give me a sec. Now, every time you will log in into an app, you will see some kind of Save Password pop-up from Google Password Manager. Make sure to tap on Save and then go back to Devices Settings and into Google Password Manager section. Even if your password is wrong, it doesn't matter. Choose Autofill with Google, Google Password Manager, and as you can see, my password is over here. With it, you will see Add Password option. So now let's add one manually. Click on Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, any website, or by tapping on Select App, click on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. Once you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!